Good day, ma'am and sir. I am Elsa Q. Martinez, 27 years old, single. I have a live-in partner but not married. I have a one daughter, 5 years old. I live in Palagao Norte, Gataran, Cagayan Valley. I graduated at Cagayan State University, Apari Campus, year 2020, with a degree of Bachelor of Science in Business Administration. My experience here in Philippines year 2021 to 2022 as a household. My responsibility is cooking, clean the house, ironing, doing laundry, and taking care of 10 years old children. I am a hardworking and willing to learn the task given. If you hired me, ma'am, sir, I will do my best to do my duty and I promise to finish my contract and to work with you as you need me. I hope you will choose me as your helper. Thank you and God bless, ma'am, sir.